Hello everyone, I am back with another video which is going to talk about some powerful black women who are out there in the makeup industry who they are all doing a fantastic job. I just want to give them a shout out. And since this is Black History Month, I want to give them an extra shout out. If you haven't heard of them, if you don't know of them, if you have heard of them but you haven't tried their product, go ahead and try it. And I pick a few. There might be a lot of others that I don't know about or haven't heard about, or I don't have their product. Go check them out. And if you know of someone that I did not mention, put it in the comments so I can see it. As you all know, I love me Juvia's Place. I love Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place is a black owned brand. The owner of Juvia's Place is called Chichi, and Chichi is a born Nigerian from Africa. I just picked one of the palettes to show you. This is a powerful black-owned woman brand, Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place, Chichi Eburu is her name. Next black woman brand makeup eyeshadow that I have is Pat McGrath. I have more than one palette, but I'll show you this one. Pat McGrath was born in Northampton, United Kingdom, England. This is the palette that I have. Black owned women. These are all women who have went out there and did their things. I consider them to be strong women who have set paths for other women. The next person that I have, who I love, I just love how fierce and bold and in your face she is. She might not be for everyone, I might not be for everyone, but it is Uma Beauty. I have this palette, Uma Beauty. That is what I have on my eyes today. Uma was born in Nigeria. Another black woman, powerful, empowering makeup product. Uma's name is Sharon Shutter. Her last name is Chuter, Uma Beauty. My other palette is Plain in Makeup by Orlando. We call it Pimbi for short. And I remember when I came across, I was so excited. I bought two palettes. The other one is no longer available, but this one they have redone, but this is the old one. And it is a beautiful palette. There is a color in there called Becky. I think it is the best gold I have ever come across. And this is Becky right here. Gorgeous gold. If you're looking for gold, Becky is your girl. Plain in Makeup by Yolanda. Her name is Yolanda Salmon Thomas. She was born in Clarendon, Jamaica. Another powerful black woman-owned business. Let us give them some praises because they have done a lot for beautiful melon skin. And not just for our skin, but they have also incorporated in their product line to suit all skin tones. All skin tones. So that is like a trophy for all of us. Let us keep embracing them and lifting them up. Not just Black History Month, but all the time. My next one is Ace Beauty. According to Google, it says she's a Texas native. And this is what the palette looks like. Another black woman, her name is Naya Anikian Atang. It's Attang is her last name, but her first name is Niye. Let us celebrate some black women here today. Next one I have is Colored Rain. Her name is Lorraine R. Downey. It said on Google she was born in New York, but she have Caribbean descent. This is what the palette looked like. Another black woman business. It said on Google that Lauren left her financial job to create makeup for women of color and all across the board. So they were not just sitting there and saying, you know what, I'll just do this. These people put work, thought, effort into what they're doing. That's why their products works for everyone. It works across the board. You will find something in their collection that will work for you. My next person is the Lip Bar. The Lip Bar is owned by Melissa Butler. According to Google, it says that she's a Detroit native. This is one of her palettes. Another strong black woman makeup brand. Now we have Mented. Mented was created by KJ Miller and Amanda E. Johnson. I was having a hard time finding out where they were born because when I put Amanda E. Johnson, a different Amanda came up. When I put KJ Miller, something else came up. So I wasn't quite sure, so I did not take that information because it didn't seem right. So this is Mented. These two black women came up with an idea of how to do and create makeup for people of color like themselves because it was hard for them to find stuff that worked for them. So they created a line. And Mented blush, love the blush. I also have the Mented foundation stick. If you want a good match, check Mented foundation. Their foundations are the bomb. I love it. LYS. This is LYS Serum Foundation. LYS, her name is Tisha Thompson. And Tisha has created a clean makeup line. According to Google, it says she is the only black woman makeup brand that is a clean makeup brand. LYS. Now, last but not least on my black, powerful, strong women who are doing it in the beauty industry, Danessa Myricks. I don't have anything out of her yet. I haven't bought any product from her line yet. But Danessa Myricks is also on that list. And she was born in New York, according to Google. Danessa Myricks has a lot of good products, and one of her big products that people are talking about other than eyeshadow and foundation is the Yummy Balm. Danessa Myricks is also in the lead of empowering, powerful black makeup artists producing makeup for black skin like mine and for other skin tones all across the board. So for these women, we just have to give them a little shout out. Let us support them, because when we don't support them, they go out of business. If you know a black woman who is in the industry and doing her thing, and I haven't heard of her, please put her in the comments. I want us to remember them not only for Black History Month, but for always. If somebody says, where can I get some product That's gonna suit my skin. You should have one of these people right off the tip of your tongue. So again, let us celebrate Ace Beauty, Plain in Makeup by Yolanda, the Lip Bar, LYS, Danessa Myrix. If I had the Yummy Skin, I'll put the Yummy Skin like this. Mented, Colored Rain, Uma, my fierce woman, Pat McGrath, who's been doing her thing for a very long time, and for Chi Chi, which I love daily. Thank you all again for watching. I appreciate you all watching. This is February 2023, Black History Month. I am just calling out a couple black women out there doing their thing. I will talk to you all again soon. Have a fantastic day. Go check all these people out and remember to stay fabulous.